Alrighty, let's give our actors a countdown. Ready? 3, 2, 1, action!
We know this one.
Yes, I swear it's a
Alright, you know what? Let's give them another round of applause because that dancing was absolutely fantastic. They were incredible. I did get a little nervous with the lifts. I thought we were going to have to call medical. I got a little nervous. Alright, what was the movie?
Dirty Dancing.
Dirty Dancing. Here are your questions for Dirty Dancing. Question 1. Jennifer Grey plays the character with the nickname Baby. What is her full name in this film? I heard it in the back. Do you know it? No? Say it louder. There you go. I heard it. Okay, we're coming back. Question 2. What is the name of the resort that the family stays at in the film? I heard it. I also heard a lot of We were thinking on it. Okay, here's our answers. Jennifer Grey plays the character with the nickname Baby. Her full name in the film is Frances Houseman. Well done. Well done to the person in the back that got that first. Okay, question 2. What is the name of the resort that the family stays at in the film? Confidence. I heard it from over there. Kellerman's.